Is kiln dried wood good for furniture? When it comes to crafting high-quality furniture, the type of wood you choose is crucial. Among the various options available, kiln dried wood stands out. But why is it so highly regarded by furniture makers and enthusiasts? Let's explore the reasons. Kiln dried wood undergoes a controlled drying process in a kiln, reducing its moisture content to an ideal level, typically between 6 to 8%. This is a significant advantage over air-dried wood, which can take months or even years to achieve similar moisture levels. One of the main benefits of kiln-dried wood is its stability and durability. By removing excess moisture, kiln drying minimizes the wood's tendency to warp, shrink, or swell over time. This results in more stable and durable furniture pieces. The high temperatures used in kiln drying also kill insects, larvae, and mold spores, making kiln-dried wood a healthier and safer choice for indoor furniture. Kiln-dried wood also has enhanced strength, making it more resistant to wear and tear. It takes stains, paints, and finishes more uniformly and effectively. The reduced moisture content allows finishes to penetrate deeper, enhancing both the wood's appearance and longevity. However, kiln-dried wood tends to be more expensive than air-dried wood. It might also be less readily available depending on your location. If you want to dry your wood, some of our clients also offer kiln drying services. Welcome, contact us. To make the most of kiln-dried wood in furniture making, follow these best practices. Allow the wood to acclimate to your environment, store it properly to maintain its low moisture content, use precise joinery techniques, and apply finishes carefully and evenly. In conclusion, kiln-dried wood is an exceptional choice for furniture making. Its enhanced stability, durability, pest resistance, and improved finish quality make it a preferred material. While it may be more costly, the long-term benefits often justify the investment. So, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, kiln-dried wood offers a reliable foundation for creating beautiful, enduring pieces. Thank you for watching. For more wood drying solutions, contact us at Huawei Kilns.